SMCI stock analysis tomorrow and onward. So in this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether I'm buying, whether I'm not. With 40,000 videos made and 5 years into the game, all documented like no one else in the space, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Not just to say, I actually have documented everything. Unironically, SMCI is up a bit, 4%, which is phenomenal. Well, nothing new for me because I've been just covering SMCI Discord. You know, I have a lot of receipts here as well. And all together, I'm just trying to jump in like I did before here when it was 30 bucks. Right, and that was phenomenal color. It was sitting at like 30, what's the price here? Yeah, 33 3 weeks ago. From 33 went up to like 47, and then we're finally starting to see some breaks up here again, so that's phenomenal. This is obviously by no means financial advice, ideally waiting for a double break or a lower time from mitigation, because it's just like one break, right? So if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10k per month trading, then just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.